Oh, I forgot to include this in the video of the newly installed Mansfield Summit. This is the old Briggs Conserver. If anybody wants this toilet, this 81 Briggs Conserver toilet, they can have it. 10, 15, 20, I don't care. Just get it the hell out of my site. Hit me, send me a message if we're friends on Facebook, or if, or just send me a message on YouTube, and let you know my address and what times are good for me to pick up. I'm usually off Mondays and Tuesdays, so, or anytime after 4. Usually is pretty good. Well, yeah, 4:30. Anytime after 4:30 during the week, and on Monday and Tuesday, anytime of the day is good unless I'm out. So, just let me know. I'm actually in Rockaway, New Jersey, and I will not ship this. This toilet has to be picked up, seeing as I don't drive. So, if you want it, here it is. And, yeah, it's got all new tank to bowl seals. It's all new tank to bowl kit. The flapper's new. The seal around the flush valve is brand new. It has a Korky Quietfill valve, which is set to the water line. And yep, if you want it, take it. I want it out of here.